Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to integrate Vmail with Everest Forms. Firstly, search for Everest Forms, then activate and install the Everest Forms plugin. Now go to Integration under the Vmail plugin. Scroll down and click on Everest Forms. Now enable the option for Contact Form. Then, select an email list. You can also choose to overwrite existing data. Now, set the map field of your choice and hit Save. Let's show you how to create a form. Go to Add New of the Everest Form plugin. Click on the plus sign and set a name for your new form and hit Continue. You can now go ahead and build up your form. In this case, we are keeping it simple. When you are done building the form, hit Save and then copy the shortcode of the form. Now go to Post and click on Edit of a post. Now click on the plus sign and add the shortcode widget. Then paste the code and hit Update. If you preview your site, you will see that your Everest form will be displayed on your WordPress site. And that is how you can integrate Vmail with Everest Forms. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getvmail.io and subscribe to our channel.